This 2025 Grand Design Momentum 392M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 45 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 11, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, external shower, skylight, slide-out, water heater, TV, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Momentum 392M is 16,982 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.